Hey loves, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. My name is Dineo and I am Dineo Leah Sole 123 on Instagram. If you've been supporting me, thank you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed, honey, what are you waiting for though? Please do click on that subscribe button, like and share my video as well. Click on the notification bell so that you know when there's new content available for you to watch. Okay guys, it is a new vlog and we are about to go for a run. My plan is to do a 10-kilometer run in the morning. It's currently 7:26, I think. I want to run now in the morning because in the evening I have a commitment, just so I know that I moved my body for the day. I hope that you are moving your body as well, unless there are health reasons, and if there are, I wish you nothing but a speedy recovery so that you can come back and join us in the body moving sessions. Yeah guys, let's go for a run. I'm going with you. Let us go.
Heart feels hollow.
Hey, we are back home. The run was awesome. I feel refreshed. I'm done with my Monday cleaning. Guys, Monday cleaning is so hectic. Like, it's so hectic because I chill during the weekend. Like, I just tidy up the kitchen, wash the dishes. That I don't do like intensive cleaning, and Mondays, that's when I do a lot of work. So we got these. I'm just gonna quickly show you what we got. We got these recovery drinks. They are high in protein and there's no added sugar, and yeah, this is how they look like. We got them from Checkers. We got 6 of them. They're always good for us after the race. We got Candy Andy, the super bright thick bleach. Guys, toothpaste is so expensive, hey? Toothpaste, it is so expensive. Like, it's unreasonably so. We got these Sensodynes. They were on special. Okay, I don't know, but they were quite reasonable compared to the rest of the stuff. But guys, toothpaste is expensive. I'm trying to see where they minus, like how much did they minus. Oh, so it is $64.99 each, and we bought 5 of them, and we apparently saved 75 rand on the toothpaste. There is 75 rand saved from the toothpaste. We also got this multi-purpose soap. It's the Optimal brand. Guys, if you haven't tried out this girl here, please do try it out and come back and tell me. I'm not gonna tell you a lot, but I just quickly wanted to show you what we got. I am famished. I'm hungry, guys. I am so hungry. So I want to quickly make something. Yeah, let's make coffee together.
Silent whispers haunt me softly every night, chasing shadows gone from sight. Rain hides my tears, feeling lost in these endless fears. silhouette dripping bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites. Curves like poetry, tender whispers in the air. The touch sends shivers, electrify my skin. In this crowded haze, we ignite the flare. Love connection where we both fit. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires. Wild and free, no labels define our love story. We're dancing in the dark, a trance of glory. A trance of glory.
Hey loves, I am back home. I'm in my apron. You know what's about to happen, right? We're about to make lunch. Woo, listen to me. I'm a lover of food. We are about to make dinner. It's currently 14:23 in the afternoon. The previous slides we were in George. I had accompanied Ndibo. There's something that she needed to do in George. And we were like, okay, let's go and sort of make it a breakfast date as well. So we did what she needed to do, and then we sat down for breakfast at, I don't know how to say it. Is it Kula or is it Gula? Yeah, we were at CULA. It's such a cute space. We enjoyed our meals, we enjoyed our time there, and I am home. I am home. I'm about to make dinner. I'm basically going to make ox liver that I haven't had in a long time. You know, the meal that I'm about to make today reminds me of my mom. Like, she always wants to have fresh liver for that matter. Like, you must go buy it now, and she cooks it now. She makes it with a lot of onion. And then if there's spinach, she'll make spinach as well. We have spinach, but I don't think I'll make spinach. So I'll make ox liver with pap. That's our dinner for today. So yeah, let's do that. How are you doing? How's your day going?
Electric sparks flying as our hands fly. In the hum of the crowded room, her words cut clear. A dialogue profound, pulling me near. No pretense in the grip, no hollow words spill. Only the truth of the moment, the thrill that's real. In the swirl of dim lights and fleeting glances, we found a rhythm of our own, taking our chances. Her voice a melody, a touch a guide. In the chaos of the night, we chose not to hide. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires. Wild and free, no labels define our love story. We're dancing in the dark, a trance of glory. A trance of glory.
We are done cooking, and I just want to quickly mix the soup in here and wash the dishes, and I will be closing off the vlog over here with you guys. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. So what I do, I put half of the solution in the bottle and the other half in the bottle. No, I'm not measuring, but what looks like a half to me, that's what I put in a bottle because it might not be precise. But yeah, that's what I do. I put half of the solution. According to my view, it is half. And then I add 2 teaspoons of salt, and then add water. The salt is what gives us the thickness, because if I just add water, then it will be too runny. Then it's as good as we are not being savvy, you know, because then the soap would be finished, or it would finish quicker. So I just want to quickly add salt, and we are good to go. Oh, la, la. So you add 2 teaspoons of salt, but I don't measure, so I just measure with my eyes. I just measure with my eyes. I don't use a teaspoon. So with you, try to use 2 teaspoons, and if it feels like it's still too light, then add a little bit more of salt, because the salt is what's gonna give us the thickness of the soap. Yeah. And shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, we have 2 soaps, guys. 2 soaps. I have done this before on a video. I just want to show you the thickness, the consistency, then we can close off our vlog. Ne? So that's how it looks like. It's not too watery, that's how it looks like. Yeah, I hope that this comes in handy for you guys. We have come to the end of our vlog, and I'll show you once I have plated how the meal looks like. And if you have watched up until this far, I hope that you did enjoy spending time with me. I hope to see you on the next one. If you haven't subscribed, please do consider subscribing. Like and share my video as well. Click on the notification bell so that you know when there's new content available for you to watch. Till we meet again on my next video. Bye!